Hey there folks, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today, we're going to quickly look into a topic that's bound to come up for any car owner, spark plug replacement cost. Now I know what you're thinking, spark plugs, aren't those just little things that make the engine run? Well, buckle up because we're about to get into the nitty-gritty of these humble, yet crucial components. First things first, let's talk about what spark plugs actually do. These little guys are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine cylinders, which is kind of a big deal. Without them, your engine would be about as useful as a chocolate teapot. They create a spark that sets off a controlled explosion, and that's what makes your car go vroom. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how much does it cost to replace these things? Well, my friend, that's where things get a little complicated. You see, there are different types of spark plugs out there, and the cost can vary quite a bit, depending on what kind you need. Let's start with the most basic and affordable option, copper spark plugs. These are the OG spark plugs, the ones that have been around since the dawn of the internal combustion engine. They're cheap, reliable, and can usually be found for around $2 to $10 each. Not too shabby, right? But wait, there's more. Next up, we have platinum spark plugs. These bad boys are a bit more advanced, using a platinum tip that helps them last longer and perform better. You can expect to pay anywhere from $5 to $20 per plug for these, depending on the brand and quality. Now, if you're really looking to splurge, you might want to consider iridium spark plugs. These things are like the Rolls-Royce of spark plugs, using an iridium alloy that makes them super tough and long-lasting. They can cost anywhere from $8 to a whopping $30 per plug, but hey, you're paying for quality here. And let's not forget about labor costs. While replacing spark plugs isn't the most complicated job in the world, it can still be a bit of a hassle, especially if you have to remove some other components to get to them. If you take your car to a mechanic, you can expect to pay anywhere from $40 to $200 in labor costs, depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Now I know what you're thinking. Why not just do it myself and save some cash? And you know what? That's a totally valid option. If you're reasonably handy and have the right tools, you can definitely tackle a spark plug replacement on your own. Just make sure you follow the instructions carefully and don't forget to buy some dielectric grease to keep those new plugs nice and snug. But here's the thing, folks. Spark plugs aren't just a one-time expense. They need to be replaced periodically depending on the type you have and how you drive. Copper plugs might need to be swapped out every 10,000 to 20,000 miles, while those fancy iridium ones can last up to 100,000 miles or more. So when you're budgeting for your car's maintenance, make sure you factor in the cost of regular spark plug replacements. Alright, let's wrap this up with a few quick tips. First, if you're noticing any issues like rough idling, misfiring, or poor acceleration, it could be a sign that your spark plugs need some attention. Don't ignore those warning signs, or you could end up with bigger and more expensive problems down the line. Second, when you do replace your spark plugs, it's a good idea to consider replacing any other related components, like spark plug wires or coil packs, if they're looking a little worse for wear. This can help ensure that your new spark plugs are operating at peak performance. And finally, don't forget to check your owner's manual for your manufacturer's recommendations on spark plug replacement intervals and the proper type to use for your vehicle. Trust me, they know what they're talking about. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Brian here, signing off.